If you've ever felt the sudden sharp pain of gout or dealt with stubborn joint swelling, you know how much uric acid can affect your daily life. High levels of uric acid in the blood can lead to painful crystals building up in the joints, especially the big toe, ankles, and knees. What you eat can make a huge difference, and certain foods help your body flush out uric acid and reduce inflammation naturally, and many of them are yellow. So, in today's countdown, we're sharing 8 yellow foods that can help lower uric acid levels and give your joints a break. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with yellow squash, a light, versatile veggie that deserves way more credit than it gets. If you're trying to bring down high uric acid levels, yellow squash is a smart choice. Why? Because it's low in purines, which are the compounds that break down into uric acid in the body. That means you can enjoy it without worrying about triggering a gout flare-up. It's also made up of a lot of water, which is great news for your kidneys. When you're well hydrated, your kidneys have an easier time flushing out excess uric acid, which can help prevent it from building up in your joints. Yellow squash also delivers a decent amount of vitamin C, an antioxidant that may help lower uric acid levels in the blood. In fact, studies have shown that people who get more vitamin C in their diets tend to have a lower risk of developing gout. And don't forget the fiber. This little nutrient helps keep your digestion on track and supports kidney function, which is key when your body's trying to stay balanced. Coming in at number 7 are yellow pears. Juicy, refreshing, and surprisingly powerful when it comes to lowering uric acid. These fruits are more than just a sweet snack. They're packed with fiber and antioxidants, both of which play a big role in reducing inflammation and helping your body eliminate waste more efficiently. The real magic, though, is in the skin. Pear peels are rich in flavonoids, plant compounds that act as antioxidants and help protect the kidneys from damage. Since your kidneys are the organs in charge of clearing out excess uric acid, keeping them healthy is key. Pears are also high in water, which helps flush uric acid from the bloodstream. The more hydrated your body is, the easier it is for your kidneys to filter out waste and prevent those painful uric acid crystals from forming in your joints. For the best results, eat pears raw and with the skin on, since that's where many of the antioxidants and nutrients are concentrated. They're also gentle on digestion, which is a bonus if you're dealing with a sensitive stomach. At number 6, we've got a tropical favorite that many people already love, pineapple. It's sweet, juicy, and bursting with flavor, but it's also packed with a powerful compound called bromelain. This natural enzyme has been studied for its ability to reduce inflammation and swelling, especially in the joints. Now, pineapple doesn't directly lower uric acid levels like some other foods on this list, but it plays an important supporting role. For people with gout or high uric acid, managing inflammation and circulation is just as important as managing the uric acid itself. That's where bromelain comes in. A 2016 study published in Biomedical Reports found that bromelain may help reduce joint inflammation in people with gout. It works by breaking down proteins and helping the body clear out damaged tissue and toxins, which can ease pain and support better blood flow to affected areas. The key is to enjoy fresh pineapple, not the canned stuff packed with syrup and added sugar, which can actually make gout worse. If you can, go for cold-pressed pineapple juice or add it to a smoothie with other anti-inflammatory ingredients like turmeric or ginger. So while pineapple won't lower uric acid on its own, it can definitely help you feel better during a flare-up and support overall joint health. At number 5, we've got yellow sweet potatoes, a delicious and filling root vegetable that's not only comforting, but also smart for anyone trying to manage high uric acid levels. These naturally sweet carbs are low in purines, which means they won't add to the uric acid load like some other starchy foods can. They're also packed with fiber, which helps support digestion and keeps your blood sugar steady. Stable blood sugar is important because frequent spikes can indirectly raise uric acid levels by increasing insulin, which makes it harder for your body to flush out excess uric acid. But one of sweet potatoes' biggest strengths is their potassium content. Potassium is a key mineral that helps your kidneys do their job more effectively, specifically removing uric acid through urine. So the more potassium-rich foods you eat, the more support your kidneys have in staying on top of waste removal. And let's not forget those bright yellow and orange pigments. They're signs of antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect your joints from damage caused by uric acid buildup. Just one tip: keep an eye on your portions. While sweet potatoes are healthy, eating too many carbs, especially in large amounts, can raise blood sugar over time. A small serving paired with some greens or lean protein is a great way to enjoy their benefits without going overboard. We're halfway through our countdown. If you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to feel better, eat smarter, and take care of your body naturally. Now, let's get back to the countdown. At number 4 is turmeric, the golden yellow spice that's been used for centuries in natural medicine, and with good reason. It's not just for curry. Turmeric is considered a true anti-inflammatory powerhouse, and it can be especially helpful for anyone dealing with high uric acid or gout. The secret lies in its active compound called curcumin. Curcumin helps calm down inflammation throughout the body, which is a big deal when you're managing joint pain, swelling, or flare-ups caused by uric acid buildup. But it doesn't stop there. Curcumin may also help inhibit an enzyme called xanthine oxidase, which plays a key role in uric acid production. That means turmeric might help stop the problem at the source. In fact, a review published in Arthritis Research and Therapy found that turmeric can help reduce inflammatory markers and improve symptoms in people with joint-related conditions, making it a go-to natural option for managing chronic pain and stiffness. To get the most out of turmeric, try adding it to soups, teas, or smoothies. Just remember to pair it with a little black pepper. Pepper contains piperine, which boosts the absorption of curcumin and makes it way more effective. Turmeric is safe for most people, but as always, it's a good idea to check with your doctor if you're on medications, especially blood thinners. Coming in at number 3 is a summer favorite you might not have tried yet: yellow watermelon. Just like the classic red variety, it's juicy, hydrating, and loaded with nutrients. But here's the bonus. Yellow watermelon contains a slightly different antioxidant profile, and it's just as powerful when it comes to helping your body flush out excess uric acid. Yellow watermelon is made up of over 90% water, which makes it one of the best fruits for staying hydrated, and that's key for uric acid control. When you drink more fluids or eat water-rich foods like this, you help your kidneys filter and remove uric acid more efficiently. It's like giving your body a gentle, natural detox. What makes yellow watermelon stand out is its content of beta-carotene, a yellow plant pigment that gets converted into vitamin A in the body. Beta-carotene has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can help calm irritated tissues, support immune function, and even protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. Because it's low in purines and naturally sweet without added sugar, yellow watermelon is also a safe choice for people with gout. And unlike processed sweets or high-sugar fruit juices, it won't spike your insulin or worsen inflammation. At number 2, we've got yellow bell peppers. Crunchy, colorful, and one of the best natural sources of vitamin C out there. And when it comes to lowering uric acid, vitamin C is a big deal. It plays a key role in helping your body excrete uric acid through the urine, reducing the amount that lingers in your bloodstream and settles into your joints. In fact, research has shown that even a moderate increase in vitamin C intake, whether through food or supplements, can significantly lower uric acid levels over time. A study published in Archives of Internal Medicine found that people who consumed more vitamin C had a lower risk of developing gout. So, including foods rich in vitamin C like yellow bell peppers is a simple but powerful step toward managing your uric acid naturally. What's great is that yellow bell peppers are low in calories, low in purines, and super versatile. You can slice them raw and dip them in hummus, toss them into a salad, stir-fry them with your favorite protein, or even roast them for extra flavor. However you prepare them, try not to overcook them. Vitamin C is heat sensitive, so eating them raw or lightly cooked is best for preserving their benefits. Taking the top spot at number 1 are bananas. Simple, affordable, and incredibly effective when it comes to managing high uric acid. These soft yellow fruits are naturally low in purines, which makes them safe to eat even during a gout flare. But they also bring something extra to the table: potassium, a mineral that plays a major role in keeping your kidneys healthy and active. Potassium helps your kidneys function more efficiently, especially when it comes to filtering and flushing out excess uric acid through the urine. The more effectively your kidneys can do their job, the less chance there is for uric acid to build up and form painful crystals in your joints. Bananas are also high in fiber, which helps regulate digestion and blood sugar levels. This is important because unstable blood sugar and insulin resistance can make it harder for your body to get rid of uric acid properly. Plus, bananas are gentle on the stomach, making them a great option when you're feeling off during a flare-up. They're super easy to work into your daily routine. Add them to your morning oats, blend them into a smoothie, or just enjoy one as a quick snack. Just be mindful of portion sizes if you're watching your carb intake. So if you're looking for a food that's easy, delicious, and supports your kidneys, joints, and overall uric acid balance, bananas are a great place to start. And there you have it, 8 yellow foods to stop high uric acid. Which of these yellow foods do you already include in your meals? Do you have a favorite go-to for managing inflammation or gout? Share it with us in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss the health tip. Check out our merch store below. And if you'd like to show a little extra love, consider leaving a super thanks. Thanks for watching. Stay well, eat bright, and we'll see you in the next video.